Save time and remove the guesswork when installing new doors into existing frames with the Milescraft HingeJig. This helpful self-clamping jig comes with everything needed to route hinge and latch mortises onto new doors. What makes the HingeJig so quick and easy is the self-clamping feature. It holds itself in place while routing without the use of screws or nails that can leave holes in a finished door. Routing mortises with the HingeJig takes almost no time at all. Simply place the mortise selector in the correct size position, set the back set plugs to the door, clamp, and route. Create perfect hinge mortises in 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5 inch sizing on both 1 3/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch doors. The unique design of the HingeJig makes it easy to change between 1/4 and 5/8 inch radius. Route on the left for one radius and the right for the other. And built-in depth settings make sure that you cut to the right depth every time. Unlike other systems that sell multiple tools to complete the door, the HingeJig comes with drop-in templates to route latch mortises. Simply remove the hinge selector, set the back set plug to latch, and drop in the template that has one of 3 common door latch sizes. When the job is done, snap the router bit and available hinge bit into the built-in storage for convenient retrieval. For fast, easy, and accurate door installation, turn to the HingeJig for your next project. Milescraft, always the better idea.